Finley Stadium in Louisville opens its doors for the #1 seed to host 5th-seeded Pittsburgh Riverhounds.
Beautiful night to do what we love, huh? Beautiful night to do what we love. Make sure, again, as we talk about week after week, you start the game, right intensity, right mentality. Set the tone early. Most importantly, you stick together. From the minute that whistle blows until the match is over, you stick together. We make sure tonight we advance to the conference final. Yeah, gentlemen?
Come on. Hey, the whole night, but early, we're smart. No matter what happens tonight, we're going to the next round. I've won these games 5-0. I've come back from 4-0 down. It does not matter. Whatever happens, we're advancing tonight. Now let's be smart early. Let's run all off all night. You ready, boys? Let's go. Let's go. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3.
The opening whistle. Here we go in this Eastern Conference semifinal. Mertz crossing dangerously, sits in front, Cicerone scores! The first team to break Louisville within a quarter hour at home all season long. Perez from Mushagalusa, Perez crossing! Up into the air and out by Williams. Louisville City, the #1 seed. They haven't had a chance to play much. Bob Lilly and the Riverhounds came in with a stunning opener. Cicerone again! And Cicerone has sent a shockwave through the championship. 2-0 up. Delivery, Harris down in front toward Toach. Bone! On the roof of Scouse's house. Dequa through. Dequa denied. Fondes, he's still out and tipped away right to Bowen by Tosh. Charging in, Dixon! Fondes the save. Header across, Winder denied. Perez the finish. Mushagalusa. Tipped over, Winder, pushed over, wait, penalty, a penalty! Louisville can tie it at the spot! To tie it, Lancaster scores! Can you believe it? We are going improbably to extra time. Mogul. Ball on frame! Oh, wait! Tosh pulled that out of the stratosphere! Offside doesn't count for Edward Kizza. Header back across! Header in front! Wait tried to get a piece. Still alive! Toward Winder, punched away by Wait. We are going to penalties in the Eastern Conference semifinal. Griffin saved Fondes. Blinder perfection. Jimenez steps up, feigns and scores. Dequa puts it in. And now Louisville have a chance. Mogul can end it for Louisville City. Mogul! Louisville City's moving on!
Yeah, for me, gentlemen, not going to talk about the football, okay? I want to talk about the belief that you all had the fight. I asked you guys to give each and every one of you everything, and what you did tonight was nothing short of amazing. And I'm not just talking about coming back from 2 goals. I'm talking about guys coming in, getting injured, having to come off. I'm talking about guys having to play winger when they've been playing outside back the whole time. I'm talking about young guys coming in and performing at a high level. Those are the things that stand out to me. Danny, to step in the way that you stepped in, tremendous. To be brave in the shootout the way you were, for the guys to step up to the penalty with and bury it the way that you did. It's a special night. It's a special night. Yeah, we have to improve on. We'll talk about that next week. But I want you guys to enjoy this feeling. I want you to remember this feeling. And then I want you to remember the goal. I want you to remember the goal, which is lifting something. One obstacle in the way next week. Don't know who it is. Don't give a who it is. What I care about is we make sure next week we come to work, we have another good week of training, and we get the job done again here at home. I can't tell you, I can't express as the manager of this group, my staff, how proud I am. I wish I could. I know I say it, feels like I say it week in and week out, gentlemen, but this feeling that I have is different. It's something I honestly have never felt before. And it's because of you. It's because of what you did. So that was special, but we remember the goal that we all have, that we set out from day one. You have a lot to be proud of, but we got work to do. We're nowhere near done, yeah?